Here we go. What's up? Welcome to your reading. And let's see what's going on in your connection. What can you expect? And if you need a personal reading, all that information is going to be down in the description box below. So we have our decks here. So this is going to be okay. So let's see what's wow. All right, so what I can see here is that you are giving up on this connection whilst this person is coming rushing back towards you. Okay, you've been fighting for this connection for a very long time. It's like I'm getting, you don't even let a lot of people come towards you. You're more like someone who has their guards up. And I feel now that you're giving up on this connection, you're no longer fighting for this connection. You have the player coming back. Okay, someone in and out of your life, on and off here. Very passionate person. Okay, but yeah, this person does not really think very fondly of commitment. So you clearly realize with the Knight of Wands here, they have a bad rep, but not always. Okay, it's all more like, yeah, the passion is there. This person does not want to, they don't mean to fuck around. But when it comes to commitment, I think you've been holding on to this connection for a very long time, whilst they start and stop, on and off connection. But yeah, you're giving up on this connection. Okay, and they're rushing in, and I think it's going to be when you don't, it's going to be unexpected, out of the blue. Right now they want to work with you. Okay, this person wants to work with you. They were refusing to work with you. They were lacking the commitment in the past. They weren't putting in the hard work. They weren't putting the efforts, emotions, whatever it was. Right now they're ready to build with you. Okay, that's what they're coming to tell you exactly. Okay, that you know what, we can do this. Let's sit, let's talk, let's build together. What are you doing? You're done. You're done with this person out here. You're dropping this person out here. You were in two minds all this while. I think this person took forever to come towards you. That's one thing I'm getting here. Maybe they took forever to come towards you, okay? Which is why you're like, you know what? No, I'm done. You're done juggling. You were in two minds about this person. You were trying to be very diplomatic. You were trying to balance out the situation as much as you could. But I think this person came in too late, is again what I'm getting here. And you're like, no. I think this person is very desperate to make things work out with you. This person now wants the growth and expansion with you. They know that it takes two to tango, and that's what they want. But you, all this while, you realize that it was a one-sided situation. You put in on the work here. You were trying to balance a lot of things. Maybe you put all the importance only on this relationship and connection. You were doing all the work here whilst this person was laid back, okay? And now they're coming in and you're dropping them. Wow, lot of communication, brace for impact. This is going to be sudden, aggressive communication. Okay, so yeah, I expect this person to just come towards you with passion and aggression both. It's like, but behind the scenes, that's what they want to do. They want to work with you, right? But I feel this could be through social media. There could be a friend, a family friend, or a work colleague who could help you guys to come back together. Okay, something like that. Like how like a conversation leads to something like that. But yeah, they're coming in. They want to clear a lot of doubts. They want to clear whatever misunderstandings you have. They want to clear the air here, but they're coming in very, very rash, very harsh energy out here. They don't know how to open up emotionally. They don't know how to talk emotionally. Okay, but yeah, they're leaving their emotions on the side. They're coming in with the passion out here. Okay, and they want to clear the air. They want to make this work out. There's an opportunity here, and they're grabbing it. You can't walk away too. I think you're in two minds. You may drop them. Say, I'm thinking, if you had an idea, right? There could be an idea in your mind where you wanted commitment with this person or something. I feel that's the idea that you're dropping. But when it comes to emotionally trying to walk away, you still don't have the emotional strength to walk away from this person, Virgo. I don't think you're still being able to walk away. Not yet. Now again, keep this in mind. This could be vice versa, all right? Maybe the person you're dealing with, if we're reading about your person out here, okay, maybe you're wanting a partnership, or maybe you're very focused on yourself, and your focus and your goals are completely towards something different, your career goals or something else. And this person out here had the guards up, and now they made a choice and they're choosing to come back towards you. So it can absolutely switch. Okay, let's see. Four of Wands in reverse. They know that they did not offer you commitment in the past year. Okay, there was a lot of lack of stability and security within the connection. They did not put in the effort, okay, to conceptualize the entire idea of wanting to be in a relationship with you. There was a lack of this tag, this label of relationship that you wanted with this person out here. Okay, and with the Page of Wands here, I feel that Maybe you may entertain this person. Okay, you may entertain this person is what I'm getting here. Okay, when they come towards you with communication, because that's a lot of forceful aggressive communication. I think you're going to be open to communication, because see, you also can't walk away from them. You also can't walk away from them. So there are chances you will entertain some communication from this person. Okay, you've tried to walk away from them, tried to detach, but I think you tried your best and you couldn't do it. What's the Two of Pentacles in reverse? See, I told you, right? You dropped the idea of having commitment with this person. So I'm getting, what? Maybe all this while you wanted commitment and this person didn't. Now this person wants to come with you and they want to take things to the next level. But now you're dropping the idea of commitment. It's almost like, what? Yeah, I wanted commitment. Now I'm not interested in commitment with you anymore. Yeah, we can be friends. Or yeah, we can just like work together. Because the Page of Wands is not a serious person, okay? That's not someone who wants to communicate seriously and talk about something. This is someone who wants to keep it very light-hearted, all fun and games. So that's the kind of communication I see between you both. They're coming in very aggressively, but you're showing up as the immature one. Maybe I feel you're going to have a changed approach towards this person when they talk to you. Like, you're going to keep it very light-hearted. You're just going to be like, what, like, let's see where this goes. But I feel you're not really interested. You that battle, that ship sailed long ago, is what I'm getting here, where you wanted that commitment part and where you wanted something serious with them. Maybe yes, you're still involved with them emotionally, you're still attached to them, that's why you probably want to still talk to them. But I think you're dropping the entire idea of wanting to be with them in something more serious or something more committed that you wanted in the past. So it's like the tables are turning. What action does this person plan on taking towards you? Okay. What action do you plan on taking? See, you're going to be very focused on your career and goals. This person out here, I think what was holding this person back all this while was a negative mindset. B, a lot of stress, fear, anxiety. Okay, all this while this person was having a hard time trying to let go of. So I'm getting something from the past that stopped this person to come towards you. This could be a bad relationship that they had in the past where they got screwed over. This could be a third person that was coming between you both. Okay, probably someone from the past that was coming between you both, or this could just be their own anxiety, their own fears, okay, that was stopping them from coming towards you. I feel this person now has clarity and they're coming towards you, rushing towards you with that clarity. Okay, because I think with the Four of Wands in reverse here, they realized that there was a lack of stability in the past, which is why things didn't work out. That's exactly what I said, right? You will entertain them, you will talk to them, but when it comes to putting in the work, when it comes to investing your energies into them, I don't think you're doing that. You're just going to be very greedy. You're no longer investing into this person. You're pulling back your energies, is what I'm getting here. You won't take them seriously this time. Okay. Okay, let's remove two cards for the outcome. Alright, so we're going to have a look at the outcome from now to the 12th to the 18th of July between you both. Wow, reconciliation time, baby. Yep, this person's coming back towards you with a reconciliation, guys. But you're going to be stuck in your head. You're not sure if you want to take them back or not. I think a lot of past issues are coming back towards you. What this person did, how this person behaved in the past, how, they made you suffer in the past, the kind of hurt, heartache, pain, what you had to go through when you were with them. Okay, this is a strong soulmate connection. They feel a strong soulmate connection. Now they want peace, harmony, stability with you. Okay. But I don't think you're in it. Okay, I don't think you're going to make any decision. If they ask you to make a decision, you're just no, either you're going to say a flat out no, or you're just going to say, what, let's see where this goes, but right now I'm not interested in doing and getting into anything more serious than probably just say friends. Maybe you'll just probably even date this person, but you won't be as serious as you were in the past, because this person's got you living in your head, right? It's getting you stuck the moment they come in, right? You're just like, what do you want? What do you want? It's going to make you feel, you're going to feel very helpless. You're not even going to be able to take action to cut them out completely, and you won't even take action to completely get in with them in this relationship to try it one more time. That's what I'm getting here. But they're coming in with a reconciliation for sure. You're going to have to decide whether you want this person or not, because you need to trust your intuition. You're not being able to trust your intuition. What I'm getting here is a lot of past influences are affecting this connection or affecting your mindset. Okay, that's a stuck mindset. You feel you can't get out of this connection, or you feel you can't give this an opportunity because of whatever happened or went back. Okay, something's left a bad taste in your mouth, but I don't think you're choosing to entertain them. as seriously as they are coming to communicate with you, okay, and wanting to work on this. So that's what I have for you. Hope this reading resonates, and see you next time. Bye bye. Bye bye.